Hello students. Now we are going to start with next question, that is by which smallest number must 1008, that is 1008, multiplied to make it a perfect square. See students, here the concept is of multiplication. 1008 is not a perfect square. 1008 is not a perfect square. If you try to find out square root of 1008, you will not be able to get a perfect number. You will not be able to get a number. So we have to multiply something so that we get a square root. Okay? So let us start with the procedure. If the question is related to should be multiplied or should be divided, if the question is related to what should be multiplied and what should be divided, then we will be using the concept of prime factorization. We'll be using the concept of prime factorization. So let us start. First of all, we have to prime factorize 1008. As you know, it is an even number. So we'll start with 2. We get 504. Then again it is divisible by 2. We get 252. Again on 2, 126. Again on 2, 63. On the table of 3, 21. On the table of 3, 7. On the table of 7. Now you have to observe one thing, that which number is not having pair. For example, 2 has its pair, right? Again 2 is having its pair. 3 is also having the pair. But 7 is not having its pair. The number 7 is not having its pair. If we want to make a pair of 7, we need one more 7. So in multiplication, we basically see which other number we want. Multiplication means to increase. That means we have to increase something. We have to add something. That number will be which we have to multiply is the same which we need to pair it up. हमने कौन सा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है? हमने ऐसा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है जिससे 7 का पेयर कंप्लीट हो जाए. तो हमें एक और 7 चाहिए. So we'll write 1008 must be multiplied by 7 to get a perfect square. Now multiply this. Correct? Now we'll check whether this is a perfect square or not. 7056 on the table of 2. 3, 5, 2, 8. Again on the table of 2. 1, 7, 6, 4. On the table of 2. 8, 8, 2. Again on the table of 2. 4, 4, 1. Again on the table of, not on the table of 2. Now it's divisible on the table of 21. Before that, you may say 3. 21 is not a prime number, na? 3. So you get 1, 4, 7. Again on 3. 7 and 7. Now you see every number is having pair. Every number is having pair. We have pair of 2. We again have pair of 2. We have pair of 3. We have pair of 7. So every number is having pair. So square root of this is 2. 1 out of these 2. Again 2. 1 out of these 2. 3 and 7. '84 is the square root of this number. right? Right? I hope this question is clear to you. But with this, I want to add one more concept. For example, here it is given, by which smallest number must this be multiplied. Multiplied का number मतलब होता है कुछ और हमें साथ लगाना है. We have to attach something to it. If the question is by which smallest number must this be divided, अगर question divided का होता तो the steps would have been same. Check how. See. Consider it for division. Divided. Same question, but in place of multiplied, if it is divided. You will see the prime factorization of this as we have done now only. It is 504, 252, 2, 1, this, 2, 6, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 7, 7, 7. If the concept is divided, divided means हटाना. कुछ ऐसा नंबर हटाओ जिसको हटाने के बाद इट बिकम्स अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. तो ये देख लो किसका पेयर नहीं बनता. पहले हमने देखा था अ नंबर विच इज नॉट हैविंग पेयर, उसी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. नाउ विल सी अ नंबर विच इज नॉट हैविंग पेयर, उसे निकाल दो, बिकॉज डिवाइडेड मीन्स रिमूविंग. 2 is having pair, 2 is having pair, 3 is having pair, 7 is not having pair. So divide it by 7. 1, 4, 4. Now you can check 144. It is a perfect square. On the table of 3. On the table of 3 again. On the table of 2. On the table of 2. 2, 2. Every number is having a pair. So 3 into 2 into 2, 12. So it's a perfect square. So the concept of multiplication and division are similar. Multiplication में we have to multiply the number which is not having pair, and division में we have to remove the number which is not having pair. So this is the concept of by which smallest number it is multiplied or divided. Right? So don't get confused between these two concepts. Multiplication में you add some number. Division में you remove the number. Right? Prime factorization is used in both the concepts if it is multiply or divide. If the question is added or subtracted, then the concept will be different.